In last session, we have seen the toggling bits example, which rotates for the 50,000 times. Now our next program is again the same toggling of the bits, but using the inbuilt routine. Only one change has been made, that is the inbuilt routine can be utilized. So the same program of toggling the bits, only the thing is that we have to toggle the bits using the internal inbuilt function, we can say. So for that, this is a new statement which can be added, include util/delay.h. So once you add this file, whatever the inbuilt function written into this file, those responsible for generating the delays in microsecond, in millisecond, in seconds, whatever the operations related to the delays, those routines written into this delay.h. So we take the help of this delay.h into this file, because it is mentioned that predefined delay function. Okay, so that predefined delay function is written into delay.h. So our rest of the program is same. This is the same, then this is the same. Now what is changing? They have mentioned that port C, they have mentioned port C. That's why we have to define port C. We have to send AA value. AA value means 10101010 value. So these four define capital A, these four define capital A. And underscore delay underscore ms means millisecond. So this is the inbuilt function, underscore delay underscore millisecond into the bracket 10. So it generates a delay of 10 milliseconds. If you write 100, it generates a delay of 100 milliseconds. And after the delay generation, whatever was 1, now it becomes 0. Whatever was 0, it becomes 1. Whatever was 1, it becomes 0. Whatever was 0, it becomes 1. 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1. So it is representing hexadecimal 5 value, isn't it? 5 value. So again we write down the routine, underscore delay underscore millisecond of 10, likewise. So this is the algorithm development. The thing is that as port C has been used, we save FF value, means 1 value. When we put 1 into the data direction register, if we put 1 into the data direction register, it means it can be configured as an output port. Okay. So this is about the next program. Now in this program, it has been mentioned that write an AVR C program to monitor bit number 5 of the port C. Here we have to monitor that. What is the status of bit number 5 of the port C? Means we have to read that port. This is the meaning. We have to read that port. And if it is high, then send 55 to the port B. Otherwise, send AA to the port B. This is the program. Now, as it is a monitoring case, so our data direction register specifically for C can be initialized to 0 value. So when all its bits becomes 0, it means it can configure it as an input port, and then you can read the fifth bit of the port C. So here one new variable or one new entity which has been introduced here, PINC, that reading the contents from port C's pins. That's why pin C's ampersand means masking. Now here bitwise masking is there. So bitwise masking means there are 8 pins. Out of them, it is a fifth bit. Fifth bit means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and fifth bit. 0th bit, first, second, third, fourth and fifth bit. So here we are sensing, reading the content from fifth bit, and if it is 1, means if it is high, then it send 55 on the port B, else it send capital A on the port B. So this is a simple program. Only the thing is that here we are sensing the things from particular bit. So when we are reading it, you have to configure it as an input, and for reading purpose you have to use PINC. So this is new thing. Okay. As per next is concerned, this is also similar to the previous one. Now here door sensor is connected. For example, this is a door and one sensor is connected over here, and that is connected to the first pin of the bit port B. This is a port B, for example, 8-bit port B is there. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the port B, for example. So port B, we are sensing the first bit of the port B, means we are sensing this bit actually. Connect, and LED is connected to the bit 7 of the port C, and one port C is there, and on the bit 7. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the bit actually of port C. LED is connected over here. Light emitting diode is connected. So this is the circuit actually. Write a program in C to monitor the door sensor. We have to monitor the door sensor, this sensor, and when it opens, turn on the LED, when this door opens, turn on this LED, when this door closes, turn off the LED. This is the simple program. So here data direction bit, what we are doing here, this bit, first bit, this bit, both are same. We make this bit as an input bit. 0 means it is an input bit. So port B considered as an input bit because sensor is connected over here. Port C is configured as an output port because it is connecting LEDs. So this is input and this is output. So this is input configuration and C is output configuration. So output means the 7th bit is 1. This bit is 1. So for the infinite time, for the pin B, you are sensing this particular bit. And when this bit is on, then you can turn on that LED. Means this bit is 1. Otherwise, this bit is 0. So when this bit is 1, LED is on. This LED is on, and when this bit is 0, LED is off. So this is the simple example. So up till now what we have seen, the variable cast, then we see the simple program including of the header file, defining our variables, initializing the variables, use simple statements, if statement, conditional statements, use simple loops, while loops and for loops. So this is a simple programming. In examination, such kind of the programs are going to be asked. In the next session, I am going to cover up the timers programming only and the last topic of this unit.